if you think you're going to be in this business and have no failures or setbacks, you're kidding yourself. Right? So this business is filled with that. There's failures every single day. There's failures on contracts falling apart. There's failures on inspections falling apart. There's failures on buyers deciding they don't want to buy a house and the seller getting angry, right? So these failures happen every day. You have to take every problem and be a problem solver and find a solution. You have to take all that noise and take that and put that behind you, and then have the ability to move forward. Have the ability to move forward with the clear mind. Have the ability to move forward with the same drive and determination you had yesterday before that failure or before that issue came up. And you can get it out. There's going to be times when you're frustrated, right? Every deal's not easy, but you can't change. You can't take what came from this client A, and hold it over to client B. And that's the biggest thing I would say on that. You got to move on. Let it roll off.